spreadsheet can also be used as a database, inserting a list of information into a sheet. When creating a list, it is suggested to insert the column headings in the first line. This facilitates understanding the table and can be extremely useful when using various Excel functions such as filters, sorting, and pivot tables. It is not convenient to leave empty rows or columns within a table. If you believe that in the future it will be necessary to add content to the table, the lines can be added through the appropriate option at the appropriate time. It may be useful to leave an empty row or column after the last row or last column of the table, in order to separate it from the rest of the sheet contents. Before the total row, it might be a good idea to leave an empty line. This will make it easier to understand the table, rendering the sheet less confusing and visually clearer. It is also possible to easily convert a list into a table using the Format as Table function present in the Home tab, or with the Table item in the Insert tab. Formatting will be applied automatically, and if the first line is a header, it will be possible to specify this to the program in order to make it apply the filters directly on that line. Through the filters, it will be possible to display drop-down menus with various data sorting and filtering features. If you add a row or column within the table, the new row or column will be automatically included and considered within the table. If you wish to modify the table extension, including new cells or excluding some, you can act on the border at the bottom right of the table. By moving the mouse over it, the pointer will take the shape of a black inclined arrow, and keeping the left button pressed, it will be possible to extend or reduce the width of the table. If more than one table is to be inserted into the same workbook, it is advisable to put each in a separate sheet. Otherwise, the filters may fail to understand that more than one table is present in the sheet and would not operate correctly.